Do you want to build your own website on Squarespace? Hey, my name is Maria Sanz and I'm a graphic designer here at Lab Creative, and on this next series of videos I can show you exactly how to do it for yourself. So let's go! So on this video I'm going to show you how to get started with Squarespace. So first things you're going to do is go to squarespace.com and then you're going to land on this page. You can go either here on Get Started or you can go to Templates. So the first thing we're going to do is going to pick a template. So whenever you're looking for a template for your business, things that you should consider when picking one would be functionality, design, something that resonates with your target audience and with your business. So here on the left, you can see that they have different type of templates. It can be a store, it can be a portfolio. And here we have different topics. So they have already created a lot of templates based on these topics. I'm going to go ahead and click art and design, but you should look for something that truly resonates with your business. So I'm going to look for one that I like, and then I'm going to preview it. So we can see here a bit of a preview of the template. Once we get working on it, it's going to look completely different. That's the main idea. So I'm going to start with this one. So I'm going to click Start with Design. This is where you should set up your own account. You just need your email. You don't need any credit card info right now. This is the back end of your brand new website. So here on your left is going to be your index. The only thing I want you to worry about right now is pages and design. So pages, it is where you're going to be building your website. And then design is going to be all about your site styles. Here's where we're going to add colors and fonts and all of that fun stuff. So we're going to go back to home, and this will be your first step. So if you want to go to Squarespace and create your own account, pick a template for yourself, and then on the next video, I'm going to be showing you about setting up your site styles. So I'll see you there.
Thanks for watching. If you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for even more helpful tips and tricks.